Hey, it's Benjamin from Mouthpiece Interactive. Thanks for joining me. I wanted to show you this really cool tool that Keap has built in to their program. It replaces the calendar function for a calendar booking program that you would find in software like Calendly, or there are a few of them out there now that are good pieces of software, but why pay for extra software and other kinds of connections where you can just have it built into your native platform. So what you have here, you come down here to My Day. By the way, this is Keap Pro. And under Appointments, which is the first option under My Day, you can see we have appointments, and then I've built out a couple different options, one of which is an onboarding session. The other is a discovery call. And what happens is when you click on one, I've clicked the onboarding session. This would be a link that I would send to, for this one, it'd be somebody I'm onboarding because we've already signed up for an onboarding package. But what they could do based on the parameters that I've already specified, they would have all these options to book a time on my calendar. And so let's say I want this 1:15 to 2:15 on Thursday, October 13th. All they'd have to do is fill out their information, hit confirm. And what it does is it sends them a confirmation, and it sends me a confirmation, and it goes right onto my calendar, both within Keap, and if we go to build a new one, you'll see within here, it's a little further down, but it integrates with your own personal calendar. So for example, I use Google Calendar. It'll go ahead and just put an appointment on my Google Calendar. I don't have to go into Keap in order to see it, although that's good practice. And we're good to go. So it's a really cool tool that they've built into the program itself. It actually does work really well. And if we go into edit, you can see some of the details. We'll blow this up a little bit so you can see it. You can rename it, and then you can embed this on your website. We actually have this embedded on our website where you can we have it set up. So if you go to our website, you can book a call. And then you can specify, are we going to do this online, by phone, in person? Are we going to do it through Zoom? Or if you're using something like Skype or Google Meet, you can change it here. You can change the time. How much time, if you're booking several appointments a day and you don't want them exactly back to back to back, you can say, all right, I need 15 minutes to go get a drink of water. And then afterwards, I need 30 minutes to take notes, make notes of what what we talked about, that sort of thing. And then you can specify which days and times that you're open, and it will block those times off or open them up so that you can actually see them. And you can see here my Google Calendar is synced. And then one of the coolest parts about it is, and you can do this through programs like Zapier, but why do that? It's already built in where you can actually trigger follow-up within your CRM, within the system. So somebody, let's say, goes to your website, books a call with you. What happens is you've set it up, or if we're working with you, we set it up to update their contact record and then start a nurture sequence, or start a reminder sequence for that matter, where basically it's set up so 24 hours before their call, they'll receive an email or an SMS. And then if you want, an hour before or 5 minutes before, and it sends them the link. It'll also remind you that that's the case. And if you have a sales-focused organization, you can set this up very automatically, very easily to create a deal within the pipeline. Everything you want to do that you're probably doing by hand now, let's reduce the time and the actual work that you're putting in, again, by hand. This will do it all automatically. So this is a quick overview of appointments within Keap, and it's really, honestly, really powerful and gives you a lot of opportunities to save time and money, which that's the point, right? So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them on the video. down here in the comments. And if you would like to know more about what we do and how we can help you in your business here at Mouthpiece Interactive, go to mouthpieceinteractive.com, and you can actually, like I showed you in the video, set up a time to talk with probably me, because I like talking with all of my prospects here. You can talk with me for 15 minutes. We'll talk about your business and how we can help you. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.